Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can do screen recording in your Redmi smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your settings. Then you have to click on additional settings. Here it is. You will see there is a screen recorder. You can change the settings from here. Like if you want to change the video quality, you can change the video quality from here, resolutions, sound source, frame rate from this. If you want to show touches, then click on this, lock screen to end from this, and this is how you can change the settings. Just go to the control center. Here it is. uh, if you can't find a record screen, click on edit, and here it is, screen record. You have to tap on this, drag it to this, and simply press on done, and you can see the it is now enabled. Just you have to click on this, and friends, you can see here it is the screen record. You have to tap on it, click on this, and the recording is now started. If you want to save the recording, just press on this. The recording is saved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.